welcome to today's new video. So I may sound very different because I'm sick. But I don't care, I'm still doing this video. So if you guys hear me sounding weird, it's because I am sick. Anyways, so the other day I decided to get on Amazon and order some bracelet making kits because I am running out of orange, red, black, and pretty much all my favorite colors. So I decided that that's not going to be happening. I decided to get another friendship bracelet kit. So I'll show you guys what you get. You get your normal letters. It came with, oh my bad, the camera's on this side, I need to fix it. So here's a little bag of numbers. You get little colors of numbers. These have also colored numbers. I mean letters, why do I keep saying numbers? Oh, okay. More of these. And you get little charms. So if you're making little charms, you can do that. More numbers, and more numbers. So, a lot. That is pretty cool because this is over $20. You get rubbery bands for your bracelets. You get these two. Then you get like these stretchy ones. Are these stretchy? Stretchy ones. You get orange, red, and then I believe green. Let's get in here and open them up. So, I have these little scissors right here. Here's what they look like right here. You guys can see that. Here's what they look like. I'm gonna open them all up. You know they gotta wrap it good because, you know, these are stuff that might fall out everywhere. ASMR for you guys. There you guys. There you go, guys. Sorry, I'm sick. I can't speak properly. So these look like the girly ones right here. These are pink, purple, right here. And these are the regular ones, which I'm kind of weirded out because this one's broken. I didn't see what happened. I don't know. So it's kind of open already, so I can just easily pull it. And this one has orange in there, and I'm planning to do orange today, as you can see. My guinea pigs have not eaten today, so they're probably gonna be squeaking all day. Let me go feed them real quick. Okay, I forgot I didn't show the rest. This has orange in there, so I'm planning to do orange. But I'm kind of still weirded out because it is broken right here. Let me see if I can show you guys it like this better. Like it is broken like that. So it could fall out. Oh, it is starting to fall out. It's just starting to fall out. Oh, they're kind of big. They're kind of big. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, it's big. Look at how big these things are. Oh, I dropped it. But I'm going to try to make like a life of a showgirl ones. And mostly Taylor Swift ones. I don't know. In this video. Because that's all I make my bracelets out of. But that's what I do. These, maybe I'm going to need a bigger band. Because these ones are way bigger. And they're hard to grab too. But they're easy to slip in though. They're really easy to slip in. Oh, did I talk about my shirt? My shirt says, The Life of a Silly Goose. I got that when the album came out. Put it in there. I think I'm gonna need a much bigger. Oh no, I guess that's good enough. I just made the life of a showgirl right here. And that's what it looks like. I made it, but I think my mistake was making it too big. So now it goes like this. Like down. Now I guess it kind of is perfect, right? Let's see if I can turn it like this. Just fix the letters. Yeah, I guess it works like that, doesn't it? That's pretty cool. My mistake was telling you guys that this came with it, but this did not came with it. I bought this separate, which I forgot I did. I just thought it came with these. But I'm just going to use this because it has numbers there, so I'm going to make a 13 one. I think I made a very bad mistake on this one, but it's very stretchy too, so it doesn't matter. So this one says 13 on it, as you can see, it says 13 on it. And now I'm going to make a red one because red is one of my favorite songs by her. So that's basically what I'm doing. There's my red right there. So I think I might end it right here because my voice is not doing really good right now. So I think I might end it here. If you guys want me to do another video, when I am better. Definitely leave a like and subscribe, so I'm definitely going to do that. So I hope you guys like it.